Pushrod Fury. Hey, Pushrod Fury here. Kind of crazy. It's freaking 18 degrees out, and but I got to get my chrome over to Bob Mazzoli, and that's one of my RD400 pipes, and I just extracted the stupid screw that holds the baffle in. See that? And we'll zip over here. Look at that. Came right out with the speed out. But that was all stripped from the PO. Probably didn't know anything about the JIS screwdrivers. Of course, I didn't know much about them either. So now we got to get the baffle out. And quite frankly, I was baffled on how to do this. But I pulled one out yesterday, and I think the way you do it is with a wrench and a screwdriver. I'll be right back, show you how it's done. So I put a wrench in there like that, and I'm going to put a screwdriver through there and turn it. So let's see if I can give you a view of that, of what I'm doing. Oh man, you can't see any of this nonsense. Oh, there we go. Okay. And just like everything else, it's just gonna look like a complete shit show. And one day, I'll have a heated shop, and then I'll never stop making videos. I'll make videos every day. But I have not had a heated workshop. Whew. Ever, actually. Never had a heated workshop. Something to aspire to. Wow, that's not going to give itself up easily, folks. Holy moly. Not to crack. That is not giving itself up. Well, this is how not to do it. So if you're ever wondering how to get a baffle out of an old 50-year-old muffler, don't do it this way. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off. You're not learning anything from this. Here we go. See this? I put this dopey pipe wrench on there. I beat it with a wood dowel and a hammer, and now the baffle's rotating. Man, my wrist is all messed up, so my stupid Christmas Day injury. It'd be nice to have real equipment working in such ridiculous conditions. At least it's rotating. coming out. Look at that. Jeez. Ah, man. Gotta fight for every little thing with a battle. Jiminy crickets. Look at that. Holy moly. And look, it's like a tease. It's like, oh, you want to take them all the way. There we go. Look at that. I think the other one's got a crack in it, but this one looks okay. Whew. Either way, that's probably never been out since 1976. Dropping it on the ground wouldn't help. All right, that's the quick video of the day. 18 degrees. Freaking RD400 muffler. Gonna get boxed up and off to Mazzoli sales and service for the furnace bake and the chrome plating. And these things, you just can't even buy them. So I don't even know what it'll be worth when I'm done. But you cannot buy a set of freshly chrome plated stock exhaust pipes. It's just not possible. I've never seen them for sale. So anyway, I don't know what the theme of today is. Like, don't be dumb, and what the heck, you know, you got a project in mind, just do it. Get after it and use all the resources you got, and make sure you always have tons of WD-40 on hand. So, all right, thanks a lot. See y'all later.